Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove virus from VIVO phone. So to start, you will need to download any kind of the antivirus app from the Play Store, of course. I'll go with the Avast, for example. So any free app will do. Maybe you have certain app in mind that you trust and is more prone to use than others, so that's pretty much your choice to download and choose what app to download to begin with. Then once your security app or antivirus app of choice was installed, you gotta launch it and perform the security scan. And if your antivirus app will find any threats, viruses, or malware in general, it will terminate them. So that would be pretty much it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.